How to naturally eliminate mildew from your washing machine. The washing machine is an essential appliance in modern homes, more so in some than others. A demanding career, responsibilities at home, children, work, and family all compete for your time, which a washing machine helps save. Because it's used so often, time can really wreak havoc on the internal components, and the rubber seal usually accumulates mildew. What is mildew? Mildew is a type of fungus that can be found in dark, moist environments. There are several different kinds, and they're often invisible to the naked eye. Despite thriving in a humid environment, the fungus can survive extreme dryness, though it won't be able to reproduce. This dear friend grows and accumulates inside your washing machine. The only good thing about this is that it won't affect the appearance of your clothes. However, clothing left inside has a pretty high chance of contracting the fungus, which causes that annoying smell and even infections. How does mold form in the washing machine? We've already gone over what mildew is and how you can deal with it on a general level. Mildew grows in the washing machine thanks to water and detergent. The mixture of these two, plus the extra humidity in the appliance, creates the perfect environment for the fungus to grow. It's easy to recognize. It's usually dark green and thick. Natural alternative to eliminate mildew. Household cleaning means having a lot of cleaning products on hand. These products are well known for their harsh chemicals, as well as their extraordinary price tags. These products can negatively affect your life in several ways. Their chemical contents can cause various physical ailments, on top of damaging the washing machine. High prices affect the economy. While nobody likes a Scrooge, there are other options out there that are better for the environment and your wallet. A natural alternative. If you're looking for different ways to clean your home, don't ignore natural alternatives. They are much better than the commercial products in virtually every way. They are usually cheaper, more effective, and much less harmful to your health. To clean your washing machine inside and out and completely eliminate mildew, use the following all-natural alternative. Ingredients: 1/4 cup lemon juice, 3 quarts water, 1 cup hydrogen peroxide, spray bottle, directions and use. Mix the ingredients in a bucket and pour the resulting solution into a spray bottle. Shake well, make sure the top is on tight. Wear gloves and a face mask to avoid inhaling the mildew spores and the unpleasant smell. Spray all surfaces with mildew, no matter how little. Let work for a few minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth or rag. Pour some of the solution into the detergent slot and set it on a washing cycle with hot water for a deep clean. How do I prevent mildew from forming in the washing machine? This may be the first time any of you have ever cleaned the inside of your washing machines to remove mildew. Ideally, you should focus your efforts on preventing it from appearing in the first place and thus prevent bad odors and infections. Here are a few tips to prevent mildew from forming. Leave the washing machine lid open after use. Remove wet clothing to prevent moisture from building up. Dry the seal. Apply the natural solution we taught you how to make in this article once every 2 weeks.